Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you. The 2023 Toyota Highlander arrives with a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder to replace the naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6. The new engine makes 265 horsepower, 198 kilowatts, and 309 pound-feet, 419 newton-meters, of torque, versus 295 horsepower, 220 kilowatts, and 263 pound-feet, 357 newton-meters, from the outgoing powerplant. Toyota notes that the fuel economy for the Highlander with the new turbo engine remains the same as the V6 engine but with lower NOx, NMOG, and CO2 emissions. The 5,000-pound, 2,268 kilogram, also carries over from the 6-cylinder mill. The limited and platinum grades of the 2023 Highlander now have a pair of 12.3-inch displays. Previously, there was a 7.0-inch screen in the instrument cluster. The tech supports dual Bluetooth phone connectivity, wireless Apple CarPlay, and wireless Android Auto. These trim levels also receive standard power folding side mirrors. The larger displays are optional on the XLE and XSE trim levels. These models come with a 7.0-inch display in the instrument cluster and an 8.0-inch monitor for the infotainment. These trim levels now offer an optional hands-free power liftgate. For the L and L grades, the 7.0-inch screen for the instruments replaces the previous 4.2-inch monitor there. The revised interior also has a relocated wireless charging pad that's now on a shelf in front of the infotainment screen. The Highlander Hybrid has no powertrain changes. The 2.5-liter 4-cylinder and 2 motor generators make a total of 243 horsepower, 181 kilowatts. It returns 36 miles per gallon combined fuel economy and can tow up to 3,500 pounds, 1,588 kilograms.